Begin your bird nest project by selecting a small cardboard box, perfect for repurposing and reducing waste. Carefully make a small hole in the box, a crucial step in creating a cozy and secure space for our feathered friends. Secure the cardboard by taping it, ensuring a stable structure that will withstand the elements. Next, attach a piece of metal wire to the top of the box, providing a sturdy foundation for our DIY bird nest. Extend creativity by affixing a twig to the bottom, offering a natural touch that mimics authentic bird nests. Once your nest is crafted, find the ideal spot to hang it in a shaded area, ensuring a safe and comfortable environment for visiting birds.